Hey everybody, this is Tara from Koala Productions, and this is my Kitsune Fox Portfolio. And you can see we got tags, pockets, the portfolio base, and of course I have 3 different background papers that you can print on the backs of them. And as with all of them, first we're going to go ahead and cut everything out. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and ink up the edges, or if you don't want to use ink, you can use a pen to just go around. And once we have everything cut out, there's just a few things that we need to do next before we can put the portfolio together. And as you can see, I'm just going to sort everything out. We've got the note cards, tags, everything. So the first thing we're going to do is with the base along these lines, just going to score those 2 lines, and then we're going to go ahead and fold the base in. So here's all of our tags, and what we're going to do is we're going to punch holes in them. But as you can see, some of the cherry blossoms I added on as little ornaments onto the tags. Now keep a couple of the scraps, long scraps, together, and with the part that's got the printed part on it, right there, we're going to go ahead and just fold this in half. And I'm going to take a jumbo paper clip, or you can use a large one. You have to use the jumbo one. And go ahead and we're going to glue these covers over our paper clips so we have a covered clip. And I'm thinking I'm going to put this cherry blossom on here somewhere when I have it done. But we're just going to go ahead and make sure there's a lot of glue on these and put it right over the paper clip. I'm sure that's sort of centered in. I let the end hang off a little bit just so I've got something to align the other side up with. And again, this side, cover it, just tons of glue, and go ahead and pop it down. Now I'm going to clip the whole thing together really tight and set it aside to dry. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and glue in the pockets for the portfolio. And now this kit has a lot of different pocket options. You don't have to even use all the pockets as pockets if you want to use some as tags or whatever. But there's a lot of options, and this is sort of the kind of the layout that I ended up going with. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue that all in here. Once that all glued in, I'm going to go ahead and cover it so it'll dry nice and flat. And I'm going to take the clip, which is dry. I'm going to, just cut around the outside of it, and this is where I decided to put on the extra cherry blossom. Alright, it's all nice and dry, so I'm going to go ahead and start populating my portfolio with the tags and ephemera pieces, and well, here we go. Here's the finished one. Now I just went ahead and held our kitsune together with the clip, but as you can see, we've got everything inside. We've got some playing cards, we have a ticket, we have a little bit of sheet with about kitsunes, which are like a magical fox, a creature in Japanese mythology. And yeah, there's everything tucked in. Well, I hope you enjoyed this product, and I hope you have fun making yours. And again, you can check out my shop on Ko-Fi or Etsy, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!